Hello everybody and welcome to another video, and it is Clean Up Your Mile Day and I'm doing my bit. I'm out in my local woodland in East London and I'm joined by someone else. So my friend Dim has come along. He's socially distanced sort of in that direction already with his litter picker, but he's kindly agreed to come along and give me a hand today. So without further ado, we're going to get the sack, we're going to get the litter pickers and we're going to get cracking. Let's do this. So the problem is that half of this stuff is right in the undergrowth where your normal kind of local council cleaner will not get to, or perhaps might not even want to get to. So it's just going to stay there. It's just going to stay there for years and years and years and years and years. So this stuff that we're dragging out, goodness knows how long it's been here. Takeaway cartons, glass bottles, cans. Some of it's looking really, really old, and of course, we're in the autumn now, but if it was really, really hot and you've got all this glass lying around, it's a real fire hazard. Okay, I think we're pretty much done, guys. We've got a really full sack of rubbish. Feels really satisfying to have cleaned up a little area of East London. Big thanks to Dim for joining us. Thanks very much, really appreciated. And if you want to join in, just because the Clean Up Your Mile week is just about over by the time you watch this video, doesn't mean we stop cleaning up. So if you feel inspired, get out there, have a go, video it, photograph it, and let's keep cleaning up our miles. Take care, and I'll see you soon.